Hi everyone, hope you're having a good weekend. We're going to go over week 7 and in this video I'll also show you a tip for getting an easy citation for Research Log 3. So this week is pretty straightforward. So on Monday you're going to do another peer response to your group's Research Log 2 using the Google Comments function. You are looking at these two things. So you're looking at what's going on with midterm grades and then reviewing the midterm portfolio, which is not due until next week, but just to get an idea about what you'll be doing for that. Okay, so for Research Log 3, you are going to use the the Atkins Library website to find one source, okay? So you can either do that through a general search through this link, or there's the Words Library Guide, and you can use any of these databases or journals to search within. So that's up to you, okay? But what I wanted to show you was when you find a source. So I'm just going to type in a source, let's say, or a search term, social media. I'm going to limit that to articles. And looks like they're running a little slow right now. Okay, so I'm just going to take this first one to use as an example. So when you come here and let's say you go to one of these to see the full text of the article, you decide it's a good source, you'll see the citation option. So this is an excellent resource for you. So if you click citation, you can choose from MLA, APA, Chicago, or Harvard. So whatever one you've been using for your other citation styles, just pick that one and you can copy it and then use that for your citation for your research log. Also, you this link at the top here or the link to the article. So if I were to go in here and take the link to that, to the actual article, that might not work, okay, in the future. So those, it's because the library is always updating stuff, sometimes those links don't remain the same. So the link that you want to use to a library source for the hyperlink that you include in your research log is going to be this permalink. Okay, so you want to copy that permalink and use that as the link for your hyperlink. Okay, so those are two important things about the library site, citation and permalink. You can find an article, book, anything that you want on the site. So just play around with it. Please know that it's not as easy to search as Google. So you're going to have to play around with several different key terms in here and see, if you can't, narrow it down to the key terms that are turning up the stuff that is helpful to you. Okay. And I have a words librarian that if you're running into some trouble, you can contact her. And I'm going to post a link to a presentation that she does for my face-to-face classes. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is on Friday, you've got Research Log 4. So for this fourth research log, you're going to be looking for a TED Talk that informs your topic in some way. It doesn't have to talk about your topic, head on. So you might think that it comes at your topic from an interesting angle, or, adds a different element to something people should think about in relation to your topic. So just remember that whatever you find does not have to hit your topic right on the nose. And I've linked to the topics page on TED Talk because this, I think, is going to be easier for you to find a source or a talk that is related to your topic by just scrolling through all the different topics, right? So, even looking at some of this might relate to some of your topics. So I think it's helpful to start on this page rather than on the TED homepage. So you're finding one there, and make sure that you are turning in the link to your research log every time. So you turning in the link lets me know that you have done the research log. Okay, so I don't just go into everybody's folders every time looking for it. You signal to me that you finished the research log by turning in this link from your table of contents. Okay, and then the last thing you're doing this week would be the peer response to research log 3 on Friday. And again, please make sure that you're diligent in doing these, because there is going to be a evaluation of how engaged your group members were in the peer review process, and that will be factored in as a grade. And that is it for the week. So you do not have a studio this week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a great week.